Hello everyone, my name is Perlo. Today my partner Aaron and I will introduce a very famous and popular project management tool called Jira. More than 100,000 customers in the globe already just choose this software to the project management or requirement management. Okay, let's back up to the official website to have a look for this software. Jira software is just used for agile teams. Of course, you can just choose this one to use traditional waterfall tools, but actually we don't suggest to use that one. And in this software, it supports the Scrum boards, Kanban board, or even the X board that's very common use in the agile development. And you can just have a look. They have a very powerful reporting function and analysis function. And of course, you can just use the Agile roadmap planning, but you need to got a separate add-on or plugin to let it work. This is the dashboard after you just first log in the Jira software. You can just copy the dashboard, import an existing dashboard, or create a new dashboard to customize your dashboard yourself. I will leave it here and you click project. Here shows all the exciting projects, and you can create a new project, and you can see the project owner and the tab and the key for the project. And here you just click the sample project for Jira. And after you switch to this project, here show the overview of the backlog. Here you have all the backlog that's in the to-do list and the other backlog that already belong to some active sprint. Have a look here, click the active sprint here. You can have the to-do list, so you can just extend see the details, and you can see here for the different swimming line, for the to-do inside and down. Go back to the backlog, and for each story or each bug, they have different label to represent different attributes, and this label represents for the version, the different version too, and this label represents for the epoch, which epoch here, and this represents for the assigning for arrow assigned to arrow, and this arrow means the different priority. Red one represents for the high priority and green one for low. And click different story. You can see the details here, and click this one. The first one, you can see the status for them. You can change it to the size or something reopen block. Or you can just change the assign to different people. Here, send to me, and you can see the label. Story points, I will assign 5, and sprint, fixed version, priority, and the reported. And you can see this one have 3 different subtypes here: dinner, it's supper, go to bed, or finish, and assign to different people. And of course, you can just leave a comment here. And you can click this one to add this one. Now go into the story, you can edit, comment, assign, block, reopen, and you can check the history, the work log history, the comment history, and activity you already just done before. Let's edit this one. We can see how the tab, issue tab, fixed version, priority, and link issue. You can just link this story to other exciting issue. For the animal you want, or you just keep it empty, and the epic link and the sprint, already active sprint. Story part and the time spent less. This field related to the time estimation, and it will just calculate by itself from 0. And you can just leave some comment here, of course, and you can just use this comment to communicate with other teammates of your team. Update. Of course, here, if you want, you can create a new story here. And just choose bug or task if you want, and the project name summary. Let's go ahead and it's preprint, empty, priority, experiment, 0, and label and match link issue. Assign to myself. very easy one. Great. Jira supports a very convenient sharing function that you can just share some issue with the other guys or your teammates. Click issues here and just click all issues here. You can order by different filter, and for just click the issue here and see the details here and the comments here, and you can just you can share the issue by email the users. You can just use the username or just the email address Aaron, and see Aaron or email address. Then just click the share button, finish. Another very important feature that's in Jira is that you can just export an issue to an exciting file. And click this button, export this issue to another format. I mean for the export XML or Word. Click Word. Then you can just save to something else. Save, or you can just click to XML. You can just have a look here. You can just trace the different version of the issues here. Click the release here. You can just use different filter, release filter, and release and archived. Just click release and release and archived. Have a look for the overview of the different version and see for version 1.0 already released here, and for the version 2.0 just is undergoing, and you can see the size this one. And you see the done in precise to do, and you can click the version 2 to have a look at the details. You can see that total 13 issues in the version and 4 done and 4 in size and 5 not to do. Have a look for the assign code below for the Aaron and assigned to anybody else. Of course, you can just release, click the release to release that version. Now, of course, not finished because Jira also supports very convenient and powerful report function, include report and analysis function. You can see, have a look. It supports for the Agile model, report and analysis model. Have a look, and focus and management model and the other model. For example, for the breakdown chart, click this one and have a look. For the story points from the 11 at the start and to the end. You can check the history and the event tab and the detail and the story points from the start to the end, the different number. And you can just switch to the issue count, and of course you can just switch to different screen from 1 to 2 and have a look at velocity charts for the simple one and the commit one and the complete one. You can see the difference here. Of course, you can have a look for the analysis model, pie chart model. Click and see 16 issues assigned to myself and 4 of them assigned to Aaron. You can see the different review for the data table, and you can see for an issue. And here, they chart show the number of issues based on the create fields on a given date over the log. When you click an exciting issue or after you create a new issue, you can see for the status of, you can see in precise, to do or finish. You can click this view of workflow to have a look for the whole workflow of the story. Here the whole workflow for the Jira story, just use Jira story, and you can just edit it. How to edit the workflow, I will show you here. Exciting. Click workflow and have a look here. You can just add workflow. You can just add exciting or just choose from marketplace. From marketplace, have a look. That means already have some exciting workflows here. You can just download. You can have a look for learn more. Have a look what is details for the exciting workflow. Oh, you can just create a new one. Add exciting here. Test. or something else. If you want, you can just change the to-do again in size or something to add whatever you want.
The search function is also very powerful. For example, we can search the library like this, and you also can search the different issues, boards, and projects like that. And as you can see, I can have some comments here and edit, and I can see all the comments here, the work log, and the histories. I can communicate with my colleagues and group, and activities can be shown here. Hello everyone, I'm Aaron. As per the introduction before, Geo is quite extremely customizable and have very good report functions. For example, you can use the chart, diagram, and different graphs to show your work. And the cross-platform integration to third-party software is also quite an important feature for this software. And it's not expensive, only $10 for each month. That means it's affordable, and the documentation is also pretty well. On the other hand, the software have great UI design and it supports cloud or local solutions. But on the other hand, this software has some shortcomings. For example, it's too cumbersome, and the disk storage limitation also quite serious. That means you can't storage your data local, and there have some limitation for the customer's workflow. Another very important shortcoming is they use email notifications. That means you can't receive all announcements on time, and it didn't support customers' domain names, and don't support for group jobs assignment. That mean you only can pass this assignment to me, not my team. And the output support is also very poor. That means you can't output it as PDF or another format. It's also a limitation for this software.